24. Today I wanted to come on and share this beautiful burlap board that I created using the Together We Have It All transfer. This board is absolutely gorgeous. It is a Chuck Couture surface. It measures 12 by 18 and it is really cute with the details that it has. It has like little tacks around the outside and it has this nice gray textured board. And I thought that this B-size transfer would look absolutely beautiful on it and I'm going to hang it up and use it as a family corkboard. So the colors I'm using are Bark, Colonial Blue, and Shimmer Frost. However, later I will take that Shimmer Frost and I will go over it again with a Meadow. The Shimmer Frost was a little too light on the gray surface. So you see that I am using a different squeegee with all of them. Right here I am going to use a little bit of a blending technique on that middle word. I just took the Colonial Blue and I spread it across the top. Then I took the Bark across the bottom and I just used my finger and I kind of blended it together. Then I used a clean squeegee to scrape off all the excess paste. Okay, now I'm just going to come in with that. And I'm sorry, this is actually wrong. This one is not Shimmer Frost. I used Bark and then I come back through with a Meadow. Here it is. See, I pull it off and that cream is just a little too light for me. So I'm going to lay the transfer right back down and I'm going to grab my Meadow. And that cream is actually called Dune. Okay, D-U-N-E, Dune. So here is the Meadow, and I'm going to come back through, and that's just going to make it a little bit darker. So I'm going to come through, and I'm just going to apply right over top of the Dune, and then I'm going to scrape off all of the excess paste. I'm going to put the excess paste right back in the jar, and I just want to make sure that I'm covering the entire silk screen here. Okay, scrape off any excess. Now I'm going to pull it down and reveal it to you, and it comes out a lot better with the Meadow than it did with that Dune. Okay, oh, I'm going to put it back up because there's a little bit of the brown up on top where I didn't cover the silk screen. So you'll notice this whole time that I'm playing with the release and the transfer, I am making sure that the bottom of the transfer never comes up so I can place it right back down. And there you guys have it. It comes out absolutely wonderful. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.